Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the exact mobile number, including country code. This reduces mismatches. Once done, open the Facebook app or desktop site and sign in. Next, make sure Contacts Upload is enabled in Settings so Facebook can search your synced contacts. You do this because Facebook matches numbers from uploaded contacts to existing profiles. If you prefer, add the number to your phone contacts before syncing. That forces a direct match when the app scans your address book. Now move into the app's Find Friends or Friends section and choose Contacts. Allow Facebook to access your contacts. The app will scan and display matched profiles. Once the sync completes, review suggested matches and tap to view profiles. If you don't see the person, use the app search field and type the exact mobile number with country code. Some accounts are indexed that way. Make sure to refresh Contacts Sync if you just added the number to your phone, because the database needs time to update. Finish by sending a friend request or a quick message if the profile permits it. That creates the connection. Remember that if you can't find someone, their number may be private, unlinked to Facebook, or they've disabled lookup by phone. If things go wrong, confirm the number and privacy with the person, then revoke and re-enable Contacts Upload or clear the app cache and resync. This forces a fresh scan. If it still fails, the number likely isn't associated with a Facebook account.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.